Hi friends, welcome to SS Maths Academy. Today we are going to extend our knowledge upon polynomials in the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. In this way, I am going to teach to you today some more good questions. Then we will get the few perfect marks in 1 marks, 2 marks and part B area. Let us see the question is, second session questions are, first one, find a quadratic polynomial whose sum is given and product of given. Now, how to find the new quadratic polynomial? How to formation of a new quadratic polynomial? Already I explained in our previous video. When the zeros are given or when the sum and product are given directly, how to form a quadratic polynomial? I derived it. That formula I should apply now. Let us see, friends. Yes. What is given, we have to write, we should respect from the question. For as I told you every time, very important for what are the key terms are there in a question, you pick it out and substitute the formula, we will get a perfect answer. Here, first keyword, second keyword, third keyword, right? Sum, it's a sum. Alpha plus beta is minus 1 by 4. Alpha into beta plus 1 by 4 is given. Is asking find a quadratic polynomial. Yes, how to form formation of a quadratic polynomial with alpha beta? Yes, the formula is k of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equals to 0. It is clear. This formula I derived in a previous video. How to derive, you know very well. Now I should substitute the value. He already gave all the things for you. Just substitution is remained. What is the substitution, dear students? Here x square alpha plus beta nothing but minus 1 by 4x. Alpha into beta nothing but 1 by 4 equals to 0. Now k is the constant, friends. Now x square minus into minus plus 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4 equals to 0. Now do the LCM procedure here. I should get 4. 1 divided by 4. 4 ja 4 into x square, 4x square. Plus 4 by 4. 1 ja 1 into x. Clear? 4 divided by 4. 1 ja 1 into 1, 1. Bracket close. Now k is the constant. Yes, if you cancel the k value, you have to substitute what we are getting denominator value. That value you have to take as assume of k. Now let us take k equals to 4 here. Then 4 of 4x square plus x plus 1 by 4 equals 0. 4 get cancelled. We should get pure quadratic equation is 4x square plus x plus 1. This is the way we should get new quadratic polynomial with the given zeros. And sometimes sum and product they only given to us. We have to substitute it. That's it. Okay. And dear friends, this is easy for everybody. But these kind of questions will come in competitive area, as well as some question paper setters are making the question very tough. That time these kind of questions are very useful for us. Let us see. Yes. F of x is given. Quadratic polynomial. Find the values of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Okay. Logic is there. Now you should follow that. Yes, friends, we have to find the zeros first. X square minus 6x plus 8. This is f of x. Simple. Here you have to write coefficients. What are the coefficients? Yes, a is x square coefficient 1. B is the x coefficient is minus 6. C is the constant 8. We know very well. Alpha plus beta. Alpha into beta. Dear friends, alpha plus beta is nothing but minus b by a. Yes, minus b by a. Minus b. B value also having minus 6 by a value 1. Minus of minus 6 plus 6. This is the sum of the formula. Now alpha into beta. C by a. What is the c value, dear friends? 8. A value 1. 8 by 1 nothing but 8 only. This is the value of sum of the roots and product of the these values. Which values I should get now, that values are we have to use to finding this question. How to find this one? Let us see. Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. I am doing cross multiplication. Alpha into alpha, alpha square Beta into beta, beta square by alpha into beta, alpha beta. Dear friends, this is nothing but a square plus b square, right? A square plus b square plus 2ab. That is nothing but a plus b whole square. But I want this value, which means we have to keep a left side this value as it is. Now right side value a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Here instead of AB, dear friends, you have to apply the values alpha and beta, then you will get the answer. Yes, alpha square plus beta square, alpha plus beta whole square, 2 into alpha beta. Yes, you know very well, sir. Very good. Alpha plus beta 6. Substitute. Alpha into beta 8. Substitute. 6 square 36, 8 to the 16, nothing but 20. Now let us come to the here. Yes, alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. This value already we have found now, 20. Alpha into beta nothing but 8. Again substitute. 4 2 is 8, 4 5 is 20. Your answer is 5 by 2, dear friends. This answer will be there in options. Very easy. This is the way we have to solve any kind of question in easiest manner. Then we will get the confidence and full marks. I hope that friends, some more useful relation among alpha beta, some competitive area and some more hard question paper making, that time we have to useful for some more relations for you. I am explaining to you. Let us see friends, just 5 minutes. Here alpha, to find alpha square plus beta square, to find alpha minus beta whole square, like that to find alpha cube minus beta cube. Such cases we have to know that RHS part. That RHS part, let you see friends, when they are asking alpha square plus beta square means we have to write direct step is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 in alpha beta. As you know very well, alpha plus beta is nothing but minus b by a. Alpha into beta is nothing but c by a. We know very well. By taking the values from the coefficient, we have to substitute, you will get perfect answer without any tension. Now like that, alpha minus beta whole square nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Okay. Now alpha square minus beta, a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. Also we can write, we don't have any alpha minus beta value. Alpha plus beta value we have, alpha into beta also we have, but we don't have alpha minus beta. We should convert it. Alpha plus beta you should write as is alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta is nothing but from this step I have to take the square transport to right side becomes square root. This total value right. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 into alpha beta. Yes, alpha plus beta we should get from the question. Alpha into beta also we should get from the question. We should get total answer. Now alpha cube plus beta cube nothing but alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta of alpha plus beta, like a algebraic identity concept. Okay. Now alpha cube minus beta, a cube minus b cube nothing but alpha minus beta whole cube plus 3 into alpha into beta of alpha minus beta. In these total values, you have to understand one important point. Every quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c have alpha and beta. It's a sum, it's a product. We have to get very easy. Sum and product formulas we know in our mind. We have to take the coefficient and apply it. That values you should supply it. Then you will get the perfect answer. You have to understand this kind of questions happily. And do one favor to me, please share to this kind of explanation my videos to all your dear ones and your friends, and subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, you should get this kind of beautiful notification there in your mobile. It will come to daily to you. Daily I am sending one video to you. To see the video, watch the video, get the subject knowledge. You should develop, you should encourage to me. Thank you.